I'm back! Today, I'm gonna remake, okay? The egg noodles. My husband is requesting me if I can cook tonight the Filipino pancit mami guisado, okay? So, I have here my strong flour, okay? I'm gonna add salt, okay? So we just mix it very well. Now I'm gonna make a well in the center, okay? Okay. And I have here my egg and water mixture, okay? Pour it in the center, okay? Okay. I'm gonna add, okay, the flour evenly, okay? I thought it will rain today.
Ja, det är vad de säger. Men det...
See how nice, huh? Then later, gonna knead it, okay? Well, now I will knead it. I'm gonna knead the flour 5 to 8 minutes till the flour pick up all the crumbles, the dough crumbles, okay? Gonna transfer the dough here. The dough pick up all the crumbled flour, okay? Then gonna knead it using the knuckle, okay, of my hands. Okay. Now, what I will do, I'm gonna make it very nice round shape. See, very nice round. And gonna put it here and then cover it with a plastic, and we will leave it for 30 minutes, okay? There you are, my baby. Okay, now it's already 30 minutes, okay, of resting the dough, okay? Now, oh, our dough is very soft. You see, when I touch it, it's very soft and pliable. Okay, you see? Now, I will knead this again for 5 to 8 minutes, okay? Using a folding technique. Okay? The folding technique helps the air out, okay? And it also it makes the how you say that, the noodles bouncy and firm, okay? So this is how to knead the dough using the folding technique. This is good for your arms to build muscles. If you want to have a firm, muscled arms, like Popeye the Sailor Man, toot toot. Now, so you see, this is the texture we are looking for, okay? It's bouncy and firm, okay? Gonna sprinkle some flour, okay? Put it here. Gonna, okay, slice this into two, okay? Now, this is how I do it. The last time I used this rolling pin and I used a knife, okay, to slice the dough into fine noodles. But this time, I will flatten this, okay, and I will use a machine, okay, to flatten this dough to the desired thickness I want for the noodle, okay? This is the texture I am looking for, around 2 mm, okay? So I will just continue. Okay. There you are. Okay. There you are. Now, see? Now I'm gonna cut it into the, how you say that? The thickness I want. This is the texture, you see it? It's like you see your palm, okay? The silhouette of your fingers through the dough, okay? So that is the texture I am looking for the noodles, okay? So I'm gonna cut this into thickness I want. You see, I have a fine noodles, okay? Wait, I have to sprinkle. There you are. So, it's like the noodles we buy in the supermarket. So what you think? Huh? It's very nice, huh? See? And it doesn't cut, okay? Okay, there you are. So, we'll just sprinkle it. Later, I will cook this, okay, with the shrimps and vegetables. You can use the beef or pork or chicken, okay? So that's how I make my homemade egg noodles, okay? There, you see? It doesn't cut, okay? They are strong. So here's my homemade, wait muna, noodles, okay? Now, you see the texture, how nice, okay? And they are firm, bouncy, spring. There you are. See how nice. Voila. 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 Gonna boil it for 2 to 3 minutes till they float, okay? There you are. Opla. Nice. Hula. Hula. You see how nice? Okay. There you are. You see how nice the texture is. Okay. Perfect. There you are. So there is it. Okay. Noodles cooked with the shrimps. Alright. There you are. Now we're gonna taste it. Okay. Hula. Oh la 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 la. Oh la la. You see how nice the texture, okay, of the noodles. You can cook the noodles with the soup, okay, or you can cook the noodles sauteed with vegetables and the meat of your choice, okay. So we'll try it. Santa Maria. The noodles is very nice texture and very delicious. Okay? Firm and bouncy. So thanks for watching. I hope you like my video and please subscribe and share. Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh la 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 la. Oh la 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 la. Very nice. God bless. Bon appetit. Mula.
One chance of saving your life. Tell me the truth.
I don't know where it is.
Kill me.
No! I can tell you who does.